Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 284 on the speed of underwords per minute. Start. We should not anticipate development only in the positive sense, it includes negative aspects too. When a poor man becomes rich, his mode of thinking is not changed. It is changed in due course of time. The prevailing conditions in Bihar are its living example. I do not mean to say that it applies to Bihar only, it applies to other states as well. The British rule might have been the primary cause of terrorism in Bihar, as it has been indicated by the Honorable President, but same is not the case with Andhra Pradesh. Members of the opposition are not present in the House today. The state government is chiefly responsible for encouraging feudalistic tendencies in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Another important issue covered in the President's address is agriculture. It is a well known fact that India is an agricultural country. Never before so much attention has been paid in this field as it has been paid during the last 10 years. We can prove this through the fact that we have succeeded in achieving the target of 3.6% growth rate in spite of facing the drought situation. The Honorable President has also pointed out this feature in his address. It is a great achievement in itself. We have also been able to increase our production of food grains to 166 million tons and it is likely to touch 170 million tons. The whole credit for this achievement goes to farmers and agricultural labor of the country. Our programs have been the major contributing factors in our achievements. The schemes for farmers envisaged in the last budget, which are presently under operation by the government, have had their substantial impact on the record production of food grains. Even in future, we will be able to show to the entire world that in the field of agriculture, India stands amidst the advanced countries of the world. Another major achievement of our government under the leadership of Honorable Shri Rajiv Gandhi has been the development of science and technology. By developing rural areas in any form, we are, in effect, developing the country. The present budget has many welcome provisions related to the development of rural areas. What is sad about it is that whenever there is such a budget, we find a number of obstacles in our way. We have not been able to implement some of the programs of the last year's budget. I would suggest that all the provisions made in the central budget should be evaluated at the state level and at the district level.